going to click on that right now. So once I click on API authentication, we'll be able to do some things right here. So if you check right here, you see that there are some API keys right here that you actually need to insert in all these boxes. So we're going to be using Maskawasub. If you check right here, there's Maskawasub right here. So we're going to be using Maskawasub for our API key. We're going to be getting the API key for Maskawasub. So if you don't have a Maskawasub account, just go to Maskawasub, register for an account, or you can use whatever website API key. So I'm just going to go to Maskawasub right now, and I'm going to register for my own account so I can show you a little process of how you can actually get your API key from Maskawasub. And one of the reasons why I say you should use Maskawasub is because getting your API key Maskawasub, it is free. Your API key from Maskawasub, it is free. Other websites might actually charge you some amount of money for you to become an API user, because as an API user, you get the product in the cheapest price and resell at a best price, so you can make profit. Because once you're an API user, it simply means you have your own website. So I'm going to actually put in my details right here, then I'm going to log in into my account right now. So once you are logged into your account, the first thing you want to do for you to actually get your API key is to actually contact them. You want to contact Maskawasub. You want to contact them by texting them on their WhatsApp. So this is their WhatsApp details right here, and you actually need to join their words. You are going to see this pop up once you first come here, so you just click on OK. So you are going to join their WhatsApp channel also, and you are also going to contact them on WhatsApp. So once you contact them on WhatsApp, you are just going to tell them that you want to become an API user, and they are going to make you an API user. Now for you to become an API user, all you have to do is to just come right here, then you are going to click on this developers API that you are seeing right here. So you are going to click on that. So I'm just going to click on that developers API. So once I click on that developers API, okay, let me cancel this. So I'm going to click on developers API. So once I click on developers API, it's going to show me my API key. So this is my API key right here. This one right here is my API key right here. So if you are building your website, just make sure you copy your API key. Just make sure you copy your API key like this. So after copying your API key like this, you go back to you are going to go back to your admin panel. So let's just go back to our admin panel right now. So okay, so this is our admin panel right now. So right here, you are going to input your API key. This place that says airtime, this airtime right here, you are going to click on that. So you are just on airtime first. So once you click on airtime, you are going to use Maskawasub API. The API key, that your API key from Maskawasub, that is after they've made you an API user. So wherever you see API key, you are just going to click on it. So you are just going to set your API key both for your exam pin and everything right here. So that is how this is. So you can see that this is all the network right here. So what you just have to do is you put in your API key. You are going to put in that API key right here. Then you are going to choose the data page that you are using. This is the API key. Then I'm using Maskawasub, the API key again, then Maskawasub. Then after doing all that, what you just need to do is to update details. So once you update details, this will be updated immediately. So that is how easy this is. And you can also set automatic payments by doing by using Monify and Paystack. So for you to actually get a Paystack, just go to Paystack, register as a starter business, then you copy that API key right there. Once you copy that API key, you put it in wherever they ask you to put API key. Now this is Monify API key right here. You put it right here. You put their secret key in this second one. So you put the contract address. They are going to give you everything once you register for Money. And then for the percentage that you want to charge for anybody that is using automatic payments, you put it right here. Then you on this so that people can be able to use it. Then you turn on the banks that you want to be available. So after doing all this, the next thing you are going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on update details. So after that, it will be updated. So you are just going to do the same thing for Paystack. You go ahead and you create a Paystack account. So once you create a Paystack account, you are also going to be connected to your website right here. So after doing all this, everything will be set. So this is the major thing you just need to do on this website. So we're going to be setting the logo. I'm going to explain how you can actually set the logo for your website, and your website should start functioning. So the next thing you want to do is you want to actually create and upload the logo right here. So for you to upload the logo, you can see that this is what's the size of the logo that you're going to be uploading right here. Now there are two things you need to upload: the favicon and what's the logo itself. Now the favicon is the logo, while all the logo is with the favicon and the write-up. So I'm going to explain what I mean to you right now. So for you to actually upload the logo, let me come back to my file manager right here. So in the file manager, they actually ask us to go to assets, then image. So what you need to do once you get here is just to go ahead and click on what's this assets that you're seeing right here. So I'm just going to click on assets right now. Once I click on assets, then I'm going to click on image. I'm going to click on this img that they ask us to click on, which is what? Image. So I'm just going to click on that right now. So once I click on that, it's going to give us all the pictures. Now these are all the pictures that are in the front edge of our website. Now if you check right here, you see that we have what we call favicon. There is what we call favicon right here. This is favicon right here. Now this favicon is the logo itself. It is the logo. Now if you click on it, if you click on that logo right there, then you click on view. You click on view right here. If you go ahead and click on view right there, let me just click on that and show you. So this is view right here. So if I click on view right here, it's actually going to load up and it's going to show us our logo that we have right there. Now this is the logo right here. You can see the logo right here. Now you just have to go ahead and check for the size of the logo right here. You can see that this is 58 times 67. This is it. This is 58 times 67 pixels. So once you are editing, just make sure that the pixel is at this size, and majorly your logo should be in a circular form or whatever logo you want to use, but just make sure that your image is at this size. And I recommend, if you are using a mobile device, you should use Pixel Lab to actually edit your logo. So what we have to do right now is to just go back right here. So if you check all this, most of all these pictures are the logo. Most of all these pictures are the write-up and the logo. About 7 of them, like this: logo dark, 2, logo dark. So once you are editing, all you just have to do is what? Save your picture 7 times. It's right here in our design. The size right here, which is 840 times 270, should be the size of your logo. So let me just show you how our logo looks like right here. If I click on this and I come up here and I click on this view right here, so that we can actually view this logo. So it is just going to load up and it is going to open up. So you can see it right here that this is our logo right here. So if I come back, there is still another one. There's still another one right here again. If I click on this second one here and I click on view and I click on view right here, you see that the logo is still right there. The logo is still right there. So if I just click on this view right here, you are going to see that the logo is still right there right now. So you can see that it is still the same logo. So most of all these things you are seeing right here, they are the same logo. So what you just need to do is what? All you just need to do is what? You take your time and check the one that is the logo, then you replace it with your logo. But the favicon is just one, so you replace it with the favicon, and that is it. Now if you want me to actually guide you through how you can create this logo, if you don't really understand and you want me to guide you how you can create this logo, if you're interested in building your own website, then I'm going to be leaving my WhatsApp contact in the description. Just contact me directly and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. So this is how you can create your own VTU website and start making money online. So in our next video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually create the app for this website and start making money for yourself. Now, I told you that I'm going to be telling you how you can actually get the script to build your own website. So if you want to get the script, like I said, I've put in my details in the description. Just contact me and I will tell you how you can get the script so that you can start building your own website. Now, if you find this video interesting, I want you to hit the like button, drop a nice comment, and also share this video so that this can actually reach more people. And if you also want to know how you can make up to $10 just by referring people with a free referral program, then just make sure you click on the video that is showing on your screen right now. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.